Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. My friends, today I will be discuss about how to make plan for the week. My friends, in previous day, if you see my videos, then you can found uh, a big planner. If you want to be a big planner, then you can watch my previous videos. Don't forget my videos. So my friends, today I will be discuss about the for week plan. Then my friends, if you make for the week timetable or week activities, then my friends, for example, that one example, Radha and Anuradha, who was sister, who was sister, and who were the sister and who studies best college, and then after graduation they join the same organization. After some time, Radha already promoted in her job, and Anuradha was a struggle in the job. So my question is that how is a huge difference? Why? Due to the reason, my friends, if you are a struggle in any job, if you cannot promote it, then my friends, one reason that you cannot focus on your own goal. You cannot focus. And Anuradha was focused in her job because because who was interested in her job. My friends, for example, that two friends was teaching in a school, and then one teacher was promoted and who was teaching uh, a best institute, and then one friend's teaching that school. So problem is that who was a struggle in job but cannot promote it. That's the one reason, was the biggest reason, who cannot choose interest in her job, interest in his job. So first of all, if you want to week plan, if you want to write week plan, then my friends, first of all, you thought deeply and you write these 25 activities in the diary, and you can see that's the activities. And if and then you can write the diary, write the activities. First of all, whose activities you can give priority, that is the most important activities. And you can choose first 5 activities you can take, and whole focus of these activities, and that activities was finishing, then second 5 activities you can take this. So my friends, that's important. If you can do for something, do for week plan, that's very important. You can prioritize these activities, those activities. For example, that for a week plan, first of all, you thought that why why I I can do it, but why? What is the reason? How can not complete these activities? What is the reason? And first of all, you search that reason and you write down, and whole focus on that activities you can complete, my guys. That is the most important. Today I get up early in the morning. First of all, I take diary and written first 5 habits, and who was the plan for today, and then I see very deeply, and whole focus on that first activities, and first activities I decide that I will be complete the first activities. After finishing the first activities, then I can choose second activities. I agree that if you make plan, then some activities you cannot include in that plan, because that's important activities, duration, the time, you will be complete that activities. Who was suddenly was suddenly you do activities because you don't know that activities. So my friends, if you want to week plan, that's important. First of all, you can write 25 activities, and first of all you can choose first 5 activities, and whole focus on completed on 5 activities, and then second 5 activities you can choose that. That is a good planning. And my friend, if you want to good speakers, then you can focus, you can speak every day for some time, and you listening many videos who was include the basic grammar, who was include in listen in English. You must be watch that videos was depend upon the conversation. If you cannot interest that videos, then first of all you can watch movies. If you listening the movies, then you can on subtitle with the subtitle. You watch the videos with the subtitle, then you can understood how can make the sentences, how can structure these sentences. And my friends, reading the very important activities, that's activities you can do every day. So that's week plan is very comfortable for you. I hope that you can make that week plan. First of all you can master of your soul, then you can do it anything, everything. If you can hear me very deeply, honesty is the best policy, and good nature will always supply the absence of the beauty, but beauty cannot be supply the absence of the good nature. That is a very important thing. Everything is possible, but you decide deeply. So if you can watch me deeply, if you can understand my week's plan, then you can follow this. That is a compulsory for you. So my friends, thanks for watching my videos. Thank you guys.